Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer cornbread swirls. Let's begin. We have here a can of Pillsbury Cornbread Swirls and let's open it up. It says start right here, so we're just going to peel there and peel it open. It says press here with a spoon, but we're just going to use our finger. And there we go. Okay, we're going to break it apart. There we go. We have here 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and we're just going to dab it on top. Okay, we're set, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it at 350 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is preheated, and now let's put in the cornbread. But before we put in the cornbread, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go. We're going to put in the first batch. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Okay, let's put them in. We're going to put it at 350 degrees for a total time of 12 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer Pillsbury Cornbread Swirls. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.